Now, California knows how to party, but Rialto knows how to fry some chicken. I'm down here in California with my cousin Latasha, and we're gonna fry some chicken right here at Soul TV Fun Recipe.
Stay tuned.
California.
Now we get doing the fun part. We get into the deep fryer.
You want to see up in here? I got the process. This is the middle process.
And how long has it been frying for?
About, I'll say about maybe 10, 15 minutes.
Okay.
And so the way it's looking, the color it is, I just want to make it maybe about 15 more minutes, and we'll be good. Because I want it nice, crispy, and golden. Yes. A little bit brown. I just want to get it a little bit browner. Okay. And then I'm gonna take it out of there.
All right. That smells good. Look how golden brown that is. Oh yeah, that's good. Can't wait to taste it. Right on. Then have a piece of chicken.
Have a piece of chicken.
Oh, family, here we go. My favorite part, the tasting.
Well, let's do this.
Okay, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Crispy, light, smells great. So I'm gonna go have me a bite. Now, break it open. Show the world chicken, take a bite.
It's good.
It's good.
It's great.
Here it is.
This is the right flavor.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Boy. Yes.
The hot version is good. Seasoned to perfection.
Okay. I'm gonna have a piece myself. Compliments, chef.